Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to be using these new sticker sheets from Simply Smith Stickers, along with my script and grid washi, my Zicklin color dot, and my script stickers as well. So let's go ahead and get the pages out because I am super excited to be diving into these new sticker sheets. Oh, and before I take out the pages, I actually mentioned this in my last video that my planner is getting way too chunky and I am barely able to close this up. So what I need to do before I take any of the pages out is come back and film a flip through after the pen so you guys can see how I use my planner. And I'm debating about whether to do all of the months, so from January, February, and March, because I'm thinking about maybe doing in 3-month increments. So if I film January, February, and March in one video, that would take care of the first 3 months of the year, or I could come back and do January in one video, February in another video, and then March in another video. So I don't know. I'm still debating about how I want to film those, but I definitely want to film those before I start taking the pages out. So if you guys have any input, definitely let me know what you guys prefer. But as far as these 2 days, I am just so excited to be using these new sticker sheets. They are so pretty, so I don't even know where I want to start. Okay, I think I want to use this big flower vase, maybe over here on the weekend. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think that I want to lay this one down over here. Oh yeah, that looks so pretty, and I'm loving the purples. So then what I think that I want to do is add my script washi, because florals and script washi, I just feel like they go together so well. So let's go ahead and rip that, and then we'll go ahead and do the top and the bottom. Okay, perfect. And I feel like we can do something like this. Yeah, so something like that. And let's see. Let's go ahead and trim this off. That's a good little scrap piece. So maybe I could find a place for it. I'm not sure. I cannot believe that we are already in May. That is just so crazy. And I can't believe that I finally hit the spot where my planner can't even close. So I think that I want to do this one right over here. Okay, perfect. And of course, I want to follow that up with script washi. So I feel like this one and the grid washi are like my top favorite. There's just something so like classy and beautiful about the script washi that I just love using it everywhere, anytime I use florals. So then, as far as this box, I want to use this quote from not Simply Smith Stickers, but Pleasantly Planned. So be a voice, not an echo. So maybe right here in the middle. And then, of course, I want to do decoration around it. But I think first I want to see what else I can do, because we do have florals, and maybe those could be like my headers over here. So that's why I didn't cover those up, because I could maybe use one of these. Okay, so I'm kind of eyeing this one. And I feel like maybe this one would be like really good right over here somewhere. Maybe here. I don't know. Let's just go ahead and take it out. Sometimes it's just easier to see where I want to place it if I take it out. So this could be a good spot for it. or maybe up here. Okay, I think I'm just going to end up putting it over here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that looks really good. So then we do have like these three here. And I feel like they would be perfect if I place them like over here. Because I was thinking about putting down the grid washi here and then doing like the little leaves. But I figured that I could just use the florals. So how about we just end up doing that? So yeah, so maybe right there. And then how about we use this one for Saturday? So yeah, something like that. And then we'll go ahead and use this one for, did I want to lay it down? For Sunday. Okay, so right there. So we do have these left, and they are actually going to be perfect to add like little touches. So maybe we can add this one like right there. And then probably I'll add some here, but first I want to go back to these ones. These are like such beautiful illustrations. I really like the lantern, the planner, the pens, the vases, just everything is really pretty. So I'm thinking about maybe placing this one right here and then adding a bit of washi. So just like a little tiny piece. Oh, and did you guys see the reveal of Go Get It Girl's new handbags? Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I cannot stop staring because they are so neutral. So we have a creamy beige color and a completely black color, and they are like a small medium. I'll go ahead and put a picture here on the screen so you guys can see it, but they are so beautiful. I love the quality, the attention to detail, and I love the colors. They are just so neutral and just so perfect. So good luck on choosing what colors you guys are wanting to get. And they are going to be releasing with everything else. So like the planners, the covers, and now the handbags, which is May 30th. So you guys don't want to miss that. You guys still have a little bit of time to choose which bag you would like if you guys are wanting to purchase one. And I say that to you guys, but I truly mean that to myself as well, because I am on the fence. I seriously don't know what I'm going to go with. They are both so beautiful. So make sure that you guys get on the wait list so you guys can get like little sneak peeks and what else? Like discount codes and just all of the information. So I'm going to put this washi tape down so that we don't see that, because I wanted to place this one right there. So no washi on that one just because we have it over here. And actually, I think I want to trim this down just a little bit so it doesn't spill over onto Saturday, so we still have like writing space. Okay, so I think that's going to be a little bit better. Okay, so yeah, maybe right there. And now let's go ahead and trim that off. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty it is turning out. I really like this. Okay, so now as far as right here. Okay, so I'm thinking about maybe using this one. I just love that these two like sticker sheets have some purple in them. That way I could use them together, because this one is purple roses and rustic plants, but I just felt like there was a lot of like purple in these, and I thought that they would go great. Okay, so yeah, this is looking really pretty. I think I am gonna add some of these leaves down here in this corner. Where did my, oh, right here, my my tweezers go? Okay, so maybe one right there. And then where could we place this? Yeah, why not? Maybe like another one right there. And then this last one, that way we use this whole sticker sheet. So that feels super satisfying. So maybe this one could go there. So we do have these two, but I don't think I can fit them anywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and save those, and maybe I'll find a place for them later on down the road, because I have been down the creative journal / junk journal rabbit hole, and yeah, little bits and pieces like this would be amazing just to add in a junk journal. I'm still trying to decide exactly which Go Get a Girl notebook I want to use. I don't know if I want to do like a larger size or if I want to do an A5, because obviously a bigger notebook will give me more space to decorate, but then I don't want to like overwhelm myself. So yeah, I have to think about that one. But yeah, I'm definitely saving like all of those sticker sheets that have a sticker or two, because they would be amazing for that. Okay, so Apple Watch, and then my water intake, and then we can do the bullet points. So here we go, and this one goes over here. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, this is coming out way too cute, and I really like that. So then, as far as over here, I'm going to start at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do 8 over here. So this line for Saturday, and then this line for Sunday. Oh my gosh. This looks so pretty. Okay, so yeah, I think I am done, because I don't want to clutter it too much. And actually, now that I say that, I almost forget my bullet points on this side. So, I think I'm going to add one there, and then, okay, I feel like I decorated this way too much, but I am just going to go ahead and sneak in some bullet points, because yeah, I still have things to do on the weekend. So yeah, that is gonna work. This has all the bullet points, right? I think so. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these pages back on the discs. Okay, oh yeah, that is gonna look so pretty. So let's just take a look. Oh yeah, that looks so beautiful. I love how delicate and serene and just beautiful these stickers are. I think they look amazing. I loved that I combined those two different sticker sheets, because I just think that they go so well together. So I will have all of the shops linked down in the description box below, so you guys can check them out. But for now, I love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.